Hello besties and welcome or welcome back. You're watching NAILIST and today we have a super amazing unboxing to do. It's from Vettsy and I'm gonna open this baby and show you what's inside. You ready? Let's do it. Whoa! Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and yeah, keep watching.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It's a spring box. It says hello there, and opening it up, you can see it is very nice. What is it called? Like protector? And it's all full of hearts. Like what? So yeah, you know, I get super excited, but these little details are some of the things that you remember and makes you want to get more of their products. So opening a box, you can see that there are 2 bottles of gel. This one says Rainbow Cat Eye Gel and it's unbelievably amazing. And this is a mystery color that we're gonna swatch right in a second. It also comes with these 4 solid gel polish, which is like this beautiful packaging. And I can open one for you right now. It looks so amazing, so mesmerizing. A liner gel, some magnets for the cat eye effect, and a silicone nail art mold in a case, which is so useful. Oh, wow. I don't know which side you can see it better. Yeah, I think that way you can kind of see. It is a flower palette, and they all look so pretty. We're definitely going to try some of that. I'm excited to make some designs. But before that, let me get you some swatches of what is in the box. So let me start with the mystery color. This gets me excited every time. It's called Flowery. Oh my god, it's a very sparkly purple. I'm not sure if it is cat eye or not. Let me try it right now and tell you. Oh my god, guys, the coverage and how the color slides. So good. Okay, let's check if it's cat eye or not. It is. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, this is giving me some witchy vibes, maybe some magic potion set or something like that. It's very nice. So let me put this under the lamp and we can work on the swatch that it comes with. I would advise you to avoid skin contact. This looks so pretty. I've tried so hard to find these, I think they're called cabochon little glass stones, but I haven't found them yet. If you have found them somewhere in bulk other than AliExpress, look how pretty this is. Amazing. There we go. Beautiful. And now let me show you the rainbow cat eye. I've already done a set with this. It's just mesmerizing, guys. But I put it back and we can unbox it again together. This is what it looks like. It's holographic, obviously. And let me give you a swatch. Also, I don't know if it's just me or not, but this smells amazing. And it's already so pretty as it is. You can't really see. I don't know if my phone's flashlight will help you. But, oh yeah, okay. It's already so pretty. But with the magnet, it becomes even more prettier. So I go like this. Over here. On top, and then I flip all the magnets like that. And this is the effect it gives you. It's just mesmerizing. So now let's move on to solid gels, and the one that draws the attention, of course, is the one that's different than the others, and this one is called Moonlight Gel. Opening it up, it looks like this. I don't know if I've ever seen something so bright and sparkly. So let me get my Vettsy brush and let's swatch. The consistency of this is so creamy. From here, from where I stand, it gives pink iridescent and blue iridescent particles. This is what it looks like under the flash. Super sparkly. I think I'll give it a second coat so that you can really see what I'm talking about. It's like a pearl, like a mermaid effect. Yeah, something like this. So we have Holo Pink and Not Today and So Hot. Let's open them. Oh, right. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, my battery is dying. Just a second. Okay, here we are. If I stir it, the consistency looks so good. Let me try it on a brush. And this is not me breathing, by the way. This is my popper. It goes on so smoothly. This is gorgeous. Like the way it sparkles. Oh my god. Into the light. And I will indeed give it a second coat to make it even more interesting. This is what I'm talking about. This is so pretty. I think I'm gonna do all the purplish pinks first, and I'm gonna leave Not Today for last. Whoa. Oh, hello. This looks like blood. But wait, of course we gotta stir it first. This is definitely a jelly color. Oh my god. I don't know what they've done here. This is amazing. Oh my god. It's like you're holding some fluorescent matter that, I don't know. This looks amazing. Wow. On camera, it kind of gives like fuchsia vibes, but from where I see it, it's like a neon red, if that's a thing. I don't know. Let's put it into the light. This is not gonna need a second coat. Okay. And now, Not Today. If I had a nickel for every time I said that. Is this also gonna be a jelly color? It's not, it's a neon. As soon as I saw this, I'm just thinking the cat eye, the rainbow cat eye on it. Oh my goodness. We're gonna make some beautiful nails right after this. Let's test it, guys. With colors that are very solid, I try to give it a nice thin layer first, and then I give it a second one to make it pop. It's so neon. I also don't know, the texture of this looks so fun to work with. This is super self-leveling. And let's not forget the liner gel it came with. Oh my god, guys, I'm craving summer with these colors. I'm craving summer in general. Nope, we missed it. Yeah, let's give this a try. Let's do some vertical lines. Huh. I don't have the steadiest hand, by the way. I'm really bad at doing lines. There we go. I can say, even if I'm not good at drawing stripes, this was very smooth and it just rolled very easily. These are the pretty colors. We're gonna go ahead and do this hand now. We're gonna make some nice pretty long nails. I don't know if I'm gonna split this video in two or not, but if I do, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she